Hello, seventh graders. We are on lesson 15 for math. So we're going to be looking at equations and graphs of proportional relationships involving fractions. So it's a lot of words, but you break it down. Basically, we're looking at equations from a graph with proportional relationships, and there's fractions. Okay? So we have Sam, whose mother has entered a 10K race. Sam and his family want to show their support for their mother, but they need to figure out where they should go along the race course. They also need to determine how long it will take her to run the race so that they will know when to meet her at the finish line. Previously, his mother ran a 5K race with a time of 1.5 hours. Assume Sam's mother will run the same rate as the previous race in order to complete the chart. So we complete the chart. 1.5 hours she ran 5 kilometers. So in 3 hours, she'll run 10 kilometers. And then so on. In half an hour, she'll run 1 2/3 of a kilometer. 1 hour, she'll run 3 3/3. 2 hours, she'll run 6 2/3. And 2.5, she'll run 8 1/3. So now we graphed it, and we're going to write an equation for the graph. So when we write equations, we usually want, almost always, to have it be the 1. Whatever is over 1 or under, okay? So this is what our graph equation might look like. D, which represents the distance, equals 3 1/3 times the hours, h. Or 10/3 times h equals distance. Okay? So complete the table from the graph. Well, we know we have 0, 0. 0.5 weight is $4. 1 pound is $8. 1.5 pounds is $12. 2 pounds is $16, and 2.25 is $18. Is this a proportional relationship? Yes, it is. It goes through 0, 0. It would be a straight line. What is the unit rate for cost per pound? Well, we have that in our charts, $8 per pound. And then we can write an equation, cost, C, equals 8 times the weight. So if we would take 8 times 2 for the pounds, we would get 16, which is correct. Okay, you're going to work on the Edmodo questions for lesson 15 for your assignment. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great Wednesday.